Hi, I'm Lindsey McKay, founder, owner of McKay Law. And in this video, I want to explain exactly what your case manager does, why they are essential, and how they guide you through the most important stage of your case. Your case manager is your partner, your guide, your information source, and we believe in doing things a little different here. Why you have a case manager. Your case manager becomes a primary contact as you begin the foundation of your injury case, your treatment phase. This is when you're seeing the doctor, getting imaging ordered, identifying all your injuries, and beginning your treatment. Your case manager's mission is simple: help you build strong, complete, well-documented damages so your case is worth the full amount the law allows. We are not like other injury firms. We believe in full transparency. Let me be very clear about something. Many personal injury firms have a deliberate culture of keeping clients uninformed. For example, they won't tell you how much insurance is available, or what the full policy limits are, and what your case is realistically worth, or what the strategy actually is. And why is that? Because if a client doesn't know the limits, they don't know what they're leaving on the table. That's not who we are. At McKay Law, we do the opposite. We stand behind our strategy, our results, and our work. We want you to understand every single part of your case. We disclose every coverage amount we find, every avenue of collectability, that is all the avenues of insurance available, every strategy consideration, every important update in your file, and the milestones in your case. We want clients informed, educated, empowered, and involved. Your case manager is a key part of delivering that transparency. What your case manager does is like a 360-degree role. Behind the scenes, your case manager is doing far more than you might realize. Here is a complete look of how they support you. They coordinate your medical care and treatment plan and help ensure your appointments are scheduled, MRIs and diagnostics are ordered, specialists are lined up, symptoms are documented, treatment is consistent, and your injuries do not go overlooked. This step creates the hard damages, the backbone of your case, the roots of the tree. They are very important to build the house that we talked about before. Your case manager also reviews injuries and makes sure nothing is missed. So your case manager understands accident trauma. They know that neck pain radiates to the shoulder and arm. Headaches often come from a cervical injury. Numbness may signal a disc issue. Knee or hip pain may be connected to a back injury, a lower back injury. We make sure everything that hurts gets checked out so nothing is left out of your case value, but also know how to understand the symptoms you may be having will relate to trauma injury. Your case manager also investigates insurance, liability, and all avenues of recovery. This is where your case manager performs a deep dive investigation, policy limits, UIM coverage, employer coverage, any commercial policies, medical, liability research, online investigations, crash analysis, repair and damage photos, witness information. We do background checks on the parties. And unlike other firms, we tell you what we find. You deserve to know how much collectability exists in your case. And we also want to know as much as we can about every party and every person involved. Your case manager will build your file with evidence, and they gather crash photos, scene photos, damage images, police reports, open records, medical notes, injury photos, wage loss documentation, medication updates. This evidence becomes your story in writing. Your case manager also communicates with the attorney, with me, to build strategy. Your case manager and I and the team work together constantly. We discuss the facts, your injuries, your treatment, your medical imaging, your insurance limits, the damage, the strengths and weaknesses of your case, and the strategic plan. Nothing about your file happens on autopilot. Everything is reviewed. Your case manager also balances your treatment with available insurance. This is one of the most important jobs. Your case manager makes sure your care reflects your injuries, also fits within the available insurance, remains consistent, is neither too little nor too much, sets your case up for success, and we want you to heal, and we also want to protect the value of your case, the money that you are getting in your pocket. Your case manager helps with the logistics, rides, gas cards, coordination. We know life is hard even without a wreck, and your case manager can help arrange transportation, provide gas cards, locate your clinic and providers, coordinate your appointments, provide reminders, remove any obstacles. No one should miss treatment because of barriers that we can solve. Your case manager learns your story, your pain, hardship, and experience. Your case manager needs to know you, the you behind the injury. We want to understand how this injury changed your routine, how it affects your job, your sleep, your stress, your choices in life, your mental state, your family responsibilities, your day-to-day limitations, and later I will discuss pilot light pain in another video. But your case manager is where we begin understanding that story. What your case manager is not doing, your case manager is never ignoring you. They are not avoiding you. They are not withholding information. When communication slows, it is usually because work is happening behind the scenes. We are waiting on medical records or providers. We're collecting documents, or it's just in a stage that requires less client contact. So like after treatment. But silence does not mean inactivity. It means the hard part of the case is being handled for you. Final message, your case manager is your guide, your coordinator, your investigator, your communicator, your support system, and your partner in building the value of your case. They are a very critical stop on your case journey. And unlike many other firms, we believe in full transparency. So your case manager will keep you informed, educated, empowered every step of the way. I'm Lindsey McKay. We are honored to represent you, and your case manager is here to guide you from day one.